In Fortnite, building fast is difficult. However, there are some quick and easy ways to improve your building speed that you can learn by following the steps in this video. To keep track of which step you're on, use the clickable sections below. Before learning to build faster, it helps to have a simple list of useful building patterns that you feel comfortable using in-game. This baseline of common builds is important because it's hard to build fast if you don't know what to build. To learn those fundamental strategies, watch our other video on the basics of building in Fortnite, linked in the video description below. Once you have an idea of what to build, you can start building faster. But to build faster, you need to turn faster. If you can't spin around quickly enough to build a box, you'll need to raise your sensitivity. Open your menu, select the cogwheel to enter your settings, and select the fourth column of settings if you play on mouse and keyboard, or the fifth column if you play on controller. First, try raising your sensitivity by 25 to 50%. On a higher sensitivity, the same movements of your mouse or joystick will move your crosshair much farther than normal. There are many building patterns that require fast, snapping movements and wide-angle turns. Having a higher sensitivity helps you move through those difficult building patterns without slowing down. If your sensitivity is already fast enough, your building speed may still be limited by the way you press your keys and buttons. For example, when beginner-level players learn to edit through floors and cones like this, they often press their edit button too hard. You need to be gentle. If you press a button with too much force, it makes it very difficult to press that button again quickly. By using a lighter touch, you can press one button much faster, and you can easily flutter between your important building and editing binds. Even with the right sensitivity and proper button pressing technique, you can still improve your building speed by training your crosshair efficiency. When building and editing, most players move their crosshair more than they need to. This extra movement wastes time and effort. You can perform the same builds and edits by making shorter and more deliberate crosshair movements. With better crosshair efficiency, your screen will move less, but your builds and edits will be much faster. The last step of building faster is to learn more advanced strategies that are meant to be performed while running full speed. These strategies are too in-depth for this video, but you can search for building patterns like triple edits or piece control tunnels to learn more, and make sure to check out the Fortnite playlist on our page for more game tips.